Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add discount and coupon codes on Wix. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to create promotional offers for your customers and manage special pricing directly through your Wix dashboard. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Catalog. This is where all your products and services are managed. We'll start with adding a coupon first, as this is one of the most effective ways to incentivize purchases and reward loyal customers. Now, under the products catalog, browse through and select the item you wish to add a coupon code to. Click on that specific item to open its details page. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Marketing and SEO. Within this section, you'll notice a Create Coupon button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your promotional offer. Once clicked, a new coupon window will appear on your screen. From here, you'll be able to select the coupon code type you wish to add. Wix gives you several options to choose from, including a flat discount, percentage discount, free shipping, sale price, or even a buy one, take one offer type of coupon. Each option serves a different promotional purpose, so choose the one that best fits your marketing strategy. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a flat rate coupon discount to keep things straightforward. Under the coupon code field, type in the code you wish to grant to your customers. This could be something memorable like Save 20 or Welcome 10. Then, enter a coupon name that helps you identify it later in your dashboard. Next, set a flat discount rate by entering the amount you want to deduct from the purchase. After that, choose the program you wish to implement this coupon on by clicking on the drop-down menu. You can apply it either to all programs and products, specific programs or products, or a specific category of items depending on how targeted you want your promotion to be. Now set the validity period for your coupon. This determines how long the coupon will be active. If you wish to use a limit on this coupon, click on the checkbox, then type in the limit you wish to have. You also have the option to limit it to one use per customer, which is great for preventing abuse of promotional codes. Once you've configured all these settings, click on Create Coupon. Your coupon is now active and ready to be used by your customers. Now to add a discount directly to an order, head back to the left navigation menu and click on Sales. This section is where you manage all your transactions and customer orders. Under the Sales section, click on Add New Order. This option allows you to manually create an order for a customer, which is particularly useful for in-person sales or phone orders. From the new order page, you'll choose the items your customer wants to purchase. Start by clicking the Add Item button, then choose from the category whether it's a physical product or booking a service. For this tutorial, we'll use a physical product to apply a discount. A product list will appear on your screen displaying all available items. Look for the item your customer wants to purchase and click the radio button for each item they wish to buy. Once you've selected all the items, click on Add to Order to include them in the transaction. Once the item is set, you'll need to choose the customer that would purchase this item. From the drop-down menu, select their contact information. This helps you keep track of customer purchase history and manage relationships more effectively. Now to add the discount, look to the right side part of your screen and click on Add Discount. You'll be prompted to add a reason for this discount, which is helpful for your internal records and accounting purposes. Then, enter the value of the discount you'll be applying to this specific order. Once you've configured both fields, click on Add Discount. The discount is now applied, and your customer will see the reduced price reflected in their order total. And that's it. You've successfully set up both a coupon code and a manual discount on Wix, giving you full control over your promotional strategies and pricing flexibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.